Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on blocking pop-ups on the Google Chrome mobile app. To do this, just open up Chrome and then tap on the menu button at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, scroll down and tap on the Site Settings button. On the Site Settings page, tap on Notifications. This is a toggle that allows or blocks pop-ups on Chrome. Turn it off to block all pop-ups from being shown to you. You will no longer be plagued with annoying pop-ups. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Chrome tips and tricks.